Warm welcome to Auctionata, and we're about to begin our auction of important wrist and pocket watches. And Hong Kong seems to be, it is a very special, especially large one. Good sound to it, mega quartz. You see here the bezel, the pattern in the bezel. 1,800 is coming in from Jules. This watch can do so many things. 700 Christian is raising to 1,800, 62.63. It is extremely rare. There's a last second bidder coming in from Texas. Salvador from Florida, 5,000, so 36,000 euros. Going once now, Elena, 36,000 going twice. And sold to Thomas in Austria. Congratulations.